Most people think muscle loss is just something that happens with age. But here's what most don't realize: it's not just about getting older. It's about how well we fuel our body, especially before sleep. See, while you're dreaming, your body isn't just resting, it's working. Quietly repairing damaged tissues, rebuilding muscle fibers, and recharging your strength. But it can only do that if you give it the right kind of support, starting with the food you eat before bed. Today, I'll show you 4 bedtime foods that naturally fight muscle loss, help your body recover overnight, and leave you waking up more energized. And the last one? Just 1 spoonful, yet it works wonders for your muscles and your sleep. Let's dive in. Kiwi fruit. Food 1. Cottage cheese, the silent rebuilder. First up is a food your grandma probably ate, but few people appreciate today: cottage cheese. Now, I know, it may not sound glamorous. But listen to this: cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting type of protein that feeds your muscles gradually for hours while you sleep. That's exactly what aging muscles need: a steady stream of amino acids to rebuild overnight. Even better? It's rich in leucine, a specific amino acid that activates muscle repair, kind of like flipping on your body's rebuild switch. 1 small bowl before bed can help you maintain lean muscle, reduce soreness, and even sleep more soundly thanks to the calming amino acid tryptophan. If you're lactose sensitive, no worries, there are lactose-free versions that deliver the same benefit. Banana. Food 2. Bananas with nut butter, muscle plus nerve support. Food number 2 is a combo that feels more like a treat: half a banana with a spoonful of natural almond or peanut butter. Here's why this combo works like magic. Bananas are high in potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that help muscles relax, prevent nighttime cramps, and support nerve function. Peanuts. Nut butters add healthy fats and protein that stabilize blood sugar, so you don't wake up hungry at 3 a.m. This duo also promotes the release of serotonin, the feel-good hormone that your body converts into melatonin, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It's creamy, comforting, and most importantly, it nourishes your muscles while you rest. Leafy green. Food 3. Tart cherry juice, sleep plus inflammation fighter. Number 3 is something athletes swear by, and for good reason: tart cherry juice. This dark red juice is one of the only natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. Studies have shown that older adults who drank tart cherry juice before bed fell asleep faster and had longer, deeper sleep. But it doesn't stop there. Tart cherries are also loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation in muscles and joints. That means less soreness, better mobility, and faster recovery. Just 1/2 cup about an hour before bed can make a noticeable difference. Pro tip: look for 100% tart cherry juice with no added sugar. Honey pot. Food 4. Greek yogurt plus honey, the recovery dessert. Finally, if you're looking for something sweet and soothing, try a few spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt with a drizzle of raw honey. Greek yogurt is high in protein, especially casein, just like cottage cheese. It's also rich in calcium, which supports muscle contraction and prevents spasms. The honey? It's more than just flavor. Raw honey helps your liver release glycogen, a stored form of energy that your body uses for overnight repair. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping nighttime crashes at bay. Plus, the combo of protein and natural sugar tells your brain, hey, everything's okay. Let's sleep and rebuild. It's a dessert that actually helps your body heal. Green square. Outro. Wrap up plus call to action: you don't need fancy supplements or expensive protein powders to protect your muscles as you age. Sometimes, all it takes is a gentle snack before bed. To recap: cottage cheese for slow-release muscle fuel, banana plus nut butter for calming minerals, tart cherry juice for sleep and soreness, Greek yogurt with honey for sweet, soothing repair. Try one tonight. See how you feel in the morning. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to 100 Years Strong and drop a comment below.